Bought this filter on Amazon. It didn't work at all, fairly useless. So some might say you are not filtering any water here. So this small pond is for the ducks to swim in during the summer. We have placed in one side of the garden so the ducks can go in the garden and take a swim here. But it keeps getting very dirty and algae are growing in it. So I first tried to buy a filter from Amazon with UV lighting and a small pump, or a correct dimension pump, I guess. So I ordered this from Amazon. Have no clue if this is the right thing, but let's test it. Hoses, fittings, filter, and instruction. We have it. Let's see when it starts to flow out from the return. Now it's coming, it's filling up the hose, and yes, there you have it. That's actually a quite nice flow. It could be nice if you had it like going into something like a waterfall or something. Maybe I will build something like that. I will build something nicer when I know this is working and the filter is big enough to function. Then I might do some nicer waterfall where it can flow from a little bit higher up and down back into the pond. But we let it sit like this now for just maybe a week. It didn't work at all. The filter clogged almost immediately, or after just one day, and it stopped flowing. So I bought this filter on Amazon with this filter blocks, and it's fairly useless. Then tried to make some sand filter, but it just flows on top of it. So I will try to improve that, make something more filtery if I can. Then I tried to build my own gravity-fed sand filter. So this is the idea. Put this inside here, and then I'll have the water here, make a hole in this, so the water should flow through this and out back into the pond. So I start by making holes in this. You just keep on drilling. This is Indy, the new dog, a Labrador Retriever. Let's see what he does this time. Oh, a lot of holes. Like that. And then I have some fabrics. You can see, you can almost see through it. This is to prevent the sand from going through. No, watch out, Indy. I have some filtering sand. Add to this. That. Now take this hose and put it inside here. Like that. We will see. I will start up and see what's happened. If the water is not flowing through this, it will just flow over the edge and into the pond, so no biggie. That's by design. Starting the pumps. Maybe it's actually better if I can see. Maybe I should put this so that I can see the water. Something like this. So I can see that it's flowing. And when I was finished with that, the pump wouldn't start again. So I have now ordered a new, bigger pump. So let's install that and see what happens. The old pump was small and failed, so I bought this bigger pump, just a pump, no filter. And yes, so you can pull it apart by turning it. Oh, have a lock here, open, okay, then you can open it and clean it. So, lock it. I'm going to make a coarse filter. I'm going to make a coarse filter for it and put it inside this house to stop the worst thing to get into the pump and destroy it. So let's see, like that, and like that. So where do we have it there? There. That. A hole in the middle. Bigger, maybe. Okay, this is to stop twigs and bits to get into the pump. Hopefully it will hold up a bit longer that way. Then I should be able to attach the hose to this. Guess I have the correct size. We have not many other sizes actually. I thought this was a wide selection of things here, but it almost looked the same size for everyone. So, but okay, I think this will work. Let's go down to the pond. Let's see if it fits on this one. Yes, it actually did. So just tighten that screw. It's a really long cable, so if you have the pond in reasonable distance to the house, this could work directly. I have to have an extension cord. So I should throw it into the water first. That. Connecting the power. Yes. And things are happening. Yay, we have flow. So this water is of course not filtered at all, but I gravity feed through the sand filter below, and this makes so the pump can just pump the water, and it goes through the UV filter, and it not clogs up, but some water has to be pressed through the sand filter. So some might say you are not filtering any water here, but let's see if I turn off the pump. Now it stopped flowing over the edge. So all this water that disappears now goes through the filter. Yes. So let's turn it back on again. So I will let it run now for a week or two, and we will get back to you and see how it went. So that's it. We are trying to do something for the ducks here. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it does something to the cleanliness of the pond. Otherwise we have to test something else. See you. Bye.